Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making sweet and spicy mustard wings. Alright, I would like to thank all my subscribers who do not subscribe to my channel as yet. Hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell and hit all notifications. That's when I post a new video, you'll get notified. Okay, so come along in my kitchen and let me show you how this gets done. Okay, I have all my ingredients here. I have 2 pounds of wings, which I portion. It's like 907 grams. I washed it in lemon juice and vinegar, okay, and pot dry them. I'm going to add black pepper, salt, some chicken season, some seasoned salt, mustard, garlic powder, okay, and hot sauce. And in my flour mixture here, I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to put some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, some paprika, okay. And to make the sauce, I'm going to also add mustard, butter, hot sauce, and brown sugar. And you want the yellow mustard, the French mustard, okay? If I get the garlic powder, I'm just going to add some garlic powder in. Okay, just okay, so we're going to go to the next step. We're going to put these wings aside. And it's best to season your meat like a day before or 2 to 4 hours before you prepare your meat. It gives it the flavor, all right? So you just want to distribute it, okay, combine it together. Okay, so what you want to do is coat the wings in the flour, okay? And I'm going to put these wings in the air fryer. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay everyone, so meanwhile those chicken wings frying, we're just going to coat the rest of wings because I didn't want to overcrowd the air fryer, okay? Okay everyone. Okay everyone, my chicken's finished. Okay, so now we are going to make the sauce. Okay, now my sauce is cooked 6 to 7 minutes. So, okay my lovely people, now I'm going to put this sauce or the chicken in the sauce, okay? You could have it both ways. You could have some in the sauce and some not in the sauce. Okay, I'm going to do, you know, if you don't have to put all of it in the sauce, you know, do what you like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just drizzle some and these ones, okay? You could have some dip in the sauce and some just drizzle. Because it's not everyone love sauce, okay? So you just drizzle just a little on it instead of dip it all the wings in. I have another one here. Alright And you could also eat some without sauce. So we have 3 different choices. The wings there smell so good. Right? Here we go. Have all the wings. Just we could sprinkle some parsley just for the garnish, okay? Just sprinkle. So everyone, here is my nice, delicious, tasty, sweet and spicy mustard fried chicken wings. Okay? So thank you all for watching. Please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, make a comment and share, and please thumbs up, guys. All right, so from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. Have a great day. Bye. One love.